Sanibona, uThembelihle. I live with a disability following a car accident. Ngifuna ukuphendula-ke ubhuti la uNhlanhla. I hope ubhuti ubuzile ukuthi ngiyamukela kanjani ukuthi sengizohamba ngesihlalo. Ngifuna upictureishe ngivuka esibhedlela after almost a month ngikwi-coma and ngangingazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni, why ngilana nokuthi ngilimele kangakanani. But into engayizwa ukuthi the time ngiphaphama angikwazi ukukhuluma and angikwazi ukunyakaza, ngikwazi ukushintsha amasayidi nje, ngathi ngibophekile la ngekhona. So after lokho ngabona ukuthi shuthi ngilimele kakhulu. Ngangingayazi extent yama injuries kodwa ngabona ukuthi ngilimele kakhulu. Ngaqala ngakwamukela lokho ukuthi kusho ukuthi ngilimele ngempela. But when udokotela esefika ke sezongichazela wathi you are the only survivor, meaning out of the 3 people abebesemotweni kuphila mina kuphela. Engamaningi lamazwi akawasho kodwa wathi you are the only survivor. Ngawadwebela lamagama and kusho ukuthi mina Thembelihle imina ngedwa obene chance ukuthi asurvive. Nabanye bebengaphila kodwa kube umusa ukuthi ngiphile. I think ikusuka lapho ngaba appreciative ukuthola i-second chance. Noma ngabe i-second chance ngiyithola unyawo linqamukile, because at that time I didn't know noma unyawo linqamukile noma kodwa ngangibona ukuthi surely impilo izoshintsha ngoba angikwazi ukunyakaza. And isisu ngaleso sikhathi besivuliwe, bengingakwazi ngisho ukuhlala, bengingakwazi ngisho ukukhuluma. So bengibona vele ukuthi kusho ukuthi ukulimala kwami kukhulu. As much as at that time odokotela bebengasho ukuthi you are disabled, bebelokhu betiptoe around the topic, umuntu uyabuza belobethi hayi it's still early days, usavuvukele sesazobona, you know, balobesho kanjalo. But nami ngangizibonela ukuthi no, kusho ukuthi ngilimele kakhulu. Ngaya ngikwamukela ukuthi Nkosi mawungenze ngaphila nje noma ngabe ngiphila kanjani kodwa mawungiphile ukuthi ngiphile ngiyobonga. And then weeks later mase beyilethe i-wheelchair, ngangizonda i-wheelchair because bengikwazi nje ukuyihambela and bengisanayo hope ukuthi inyawo zami mhlawumbe zizonyakaza. Mhlambe if ngingayi embrace i-wheelchair inyawo zami zizonyakaza and uNkulunkulu uzongenzela i-miracle ngikwazi ukuhamba. But isikhathi siqhubeka ngangikhuluma no-psychologist, ngivoice ke my concerns ne-anger enganginayo towards impilo, towards God, ingoba ngenzeni nje mina. Ngibuza ukuthi uNkulunkulu kungani mina ekhetha ukuthi angishaye kangaka, ngoneni, yabo kuningi nje kuningi. I was going through emotions kodwa as time goes ngaya ngokwamukela as ngi-exercise, because I went to a rehab, Entabeni Rehabilitation Center. After like a month or 2 months ngise esibhedlela St. Anne's ngahamba ngaye rehab. So when I go to a rehab bangifundisa ukuhamba nge-wheelchair. Angiyazi ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ukuhamba nge-wheelchair kulula, like you just push it forward. No, you learn, kind of like you learn more driving mode. You learn ukuthi okay mangizojika kwi-small space ngenze 3.10 ngiyareversa ngenze njani. So ngaba engaged ke kuma activities okufunda ukuthi i-wheelchair uhamba kanjani ngayo, what exercises you must do, kumele ngenze njani ukuthi ngibe safe, how do I transfer. Ngafunda ukuthi isokisi uligqoka kanjani, because this was a new life manje ngithi sekumele ngifunde ukuthi isokisi uligqoka kanjani, usicathulo usigqoka kanjani, ubona kanjani ukuthi manje usufuna ukuya etoilet because manje phela usafili. Kwakukuningi but kuko konke lokho enye into eyangisiza ukuthi ngamukele kakhulu ukuthi e-rehab kwakukhona abantu abalimele ngey'ndlela ezingafani. Khona abantu ababelimele kakhulu kunami, and every time I looked at them ngangithi Nkosi ngiyabonga, ngoba ngangibona ukuthi mina ngiyakwazi ukusebenzisa izandla zami, kukhona ongakwazi ukuyisebenzisa izandla, kukhona ekhanda ongasakwazi ukubabona abantu bakubo. Yabo silimele ngey'ndlela ezingafani. As much as nami ngilimele kakhulu, kodwa ngakwazi uku-appreciate ukuthi ngiyabonga Lord, ngiyabonga ukuthi ungiseyivile, ngiyabonga ukuthi wanginikile ithuba lokuthi ngiphile. And after that,
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangisisi ucoca kokuthi wamukela kanjani kokuthi eSoto ohlala ku-wheelchair impilo yakhe yonke after kokuthi ethole ingoti yemoto wangasakhoni kuhamba. So semvela aqoqa nje isitori sakhe. So bantu abaningi bebafuna kwati kokuthi wamukela kanjani. Uyabona mase ukuthi udalwe uhamba, you've been walking your whole life, utendela tinto. Uma impilo yakho seyitshintsha sebakutshela ukuthi uhlala ku-wheelchair na, like it's something le kungekho easy kokuthi uyamukele, because ubuta into letiningi, God why me, what did I do, why ungiphanishe ngale ndlela, yabona nje into letiningi. So uyasho ukuthi yena wamukela kanjani. Like I'm just sending love and light to her. A mama in a wheelchair is better than a mama in a coffin. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.